Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to update YouTube app on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the App Store on an iPhone or iPad and in the search box write the word YouTube. Then we find this app. If it says update, you need to click on it, and it will automatically update to the latest version. If it says open, it means that your YouTube is already updated to the latest version. But if you want it to be already, right up to the max so you can clean it up. Clear the cache and do everything. You do that by logging out, and go to Settings on any iOS device. Open the General tab. iPhone Storage, scroll down. Open YouTube and then you need to unload the app. That'll clear the cache and the data. But your accounts, search queries all will remain. You click Unload. It unloads. Then re-download and you will have 100% the latest version of your YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. That's how easy and simple it is to update it. Let me know if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Goodbye.